Welcome to Pating Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the Corsair Vengeance a8100 series pre-built gaming PC. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this pre-built gaming PC for yourself and get it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Hey everyone, today I've got something super exciting to talk about, the Corsair Vengeance a8100 series pre-built gaming PC. If you're into gaming or just want a powerful computer, you're in the right place. I'm going to break down all the cool features and reasons why you might want to consider this beast of a machine. Alright, let's kick things off with the introduction of the Corsair Vengeance a8100. This is not your everyday computer. It's like a superhero in the gaming world. Imagine a computer that not only is sleek and stylish, but also a powerhouse designed specifically for gamers like you. The CPU and GPU performance. Inside this gaming marvel is a special brain called an AMD Ryzen 9 7950X. It's like the captain of the ship, making sure everything runs super fast and smooth. Plus, it has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, which is like having a magic wand for gaming graphics. You'll see games in a whole new way. Memory and storage. Now let's talk about the memory. It's got 64 gigabytes of Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5. That's like having a huge backpack for all your games and programs. And the storage. Picture having a closet with two big shelves, each holding a 2TB M.2 SSD, so much space for your games, videos, and more, and it will load super quickly. Design and aesthetics. Oh, and did I mention it's as stylish as it is powerful? The black color gives it a sleek look, and the RGB lighting is like having a party inside your computer. It looks amazing, especially if you like things that light up and look super cool. System control and monitoring. With the Corsair iQ software, it's like having a remote control for your computer. You can change the colors, control the fans, and even see how your computer is doing. It's like having a dashboard for your own gaming spaceship. Cooling system. Now, gaming can make computers hot, right? Not for this one. It's got an H150i Elite liquid CPU cooler and 7 fans. It's like having your own cooling superhero, making sure your computer stays frosty even in heated battles or prolonged gaming sessions. Upgradability. And guess what? If you want to make it even more powerful in the future, it's super easy. It's like building with blocks. You can add more stuff without too much trouble. For gaming, why do you need this? Well, if you love gaming, this PC is like the coolest toy in the playground. It makes games look incredible and it's super fast. It's like having a superpower in the gaming world. Processor, memory storage, graphics, connectivity, and OS. Now let's talk about the numbers. But don't worry, it's like counting your candy stash. The processor runs at 4.5 GHz. That's like having a super speedy race car. The memory is 64 gigabytes. Imagine having 64 of your favorite toys. And the graphics have 24 gigabytes. That's like having a giant TV in your computer. It also has 5 USB ports, like having 5 power outlets for your devices, and it runs Windows 11 Pro, the latest operating system. So why do you need this awesome pre-built gaming PC? It's like having a magic castle for gaming. It looks cool, it's super fast, it's ready for anything, and if you want to level up your gaming experience, the Corsair Vengeance a8100 series pre-built gaming PC is amazing. I highly recommend that you check out this pre-built gaming PC for yourself. It's a lot cheaper than building it by yourself, and it's a lot easier. It'll be ready right out of the box, and you don't need to know how to set up anything yourself. I highly recommend this pre-built gaming PC for yourself, and if you want to get it at an amazing price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it at the best possible price.